How to register online. Please visit our website sce.aucegypt.edu/home. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Continuing Learner. Enter SCE username and password sent to your personal email to log in into your account. Click Register now. Click Register for classes. Write SCE and the term available for registration will automatically appear. Or write HUS PED for registration for the Department of Educational Studies diploma only. In the subject field, select the desired course title. For example, English. In the course number field, specify the desired course number. For example, A1A. Click Advanced Search. In the campus field, specify the desired campus you wish to study at, downtown, New Cairo, or online. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, then click the checkbox for Open Sections Only. This column shows the course title for which the student wishes to register. Students need to know the CRN number to facilitate the registration process. Meeting Times column shows the course dates and times, course type, building, room number, and term start and end dates. Status column shows the number of available places in the class section. Click Add to register, and the program will appear in the summary section. Once you click Submit, the status will turn to Registered, which is a confirmation that you have been registered. In case you wish to drop your course or change your schedule, choose Remove from the action list, then click Submit.